Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Pay and confirming you're on the account that earned rewards. Once signed in, go straight to the Rewards tab to see available cash and expiry dates so nothing surprises you later. Make sure a bank account or UPI ID is linked and verified. You'll need this for transfers or redemptions. If verification is pending, complete it now. This prevents delays. Once done, note which rewards are instant use versus withdrawable, so you plan the next steps correctly. Next, decide how you want to use the reward. Apply it as an instant discount at checkout, add it to your Google Pay balance, or transfer it to your linked bank account. Tap the reward, choose Redeem or Transfer, and enter the precise amount. Partial redemptions are allowed in many cases. Make sure you check any small fees and the estimated processing time. Banks can take up to a few business days. Once you confirm, watch for the on-screen confirmation and a transaction notification, so you know it's moving. To finish, monitor the activity feed for the redemption record and any confirmation emails. This ensures the funds went where you intended. If the transfer doesn't appear, first recheck the linked account details and your identity verification status. Most failures come from mismatched info. Next, wait the stated processing window. If it still fails, contact Google Pay support with the transaction ID, timestamps, and a screenshot. That evidence speeds resolution, and make sure to retry only after support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.